Okay, boys and girls, we're going to work on our day 12 packet, and I'm going to go over the directions. Some of it you already know what to do, and some of it might be a little bit hard because it's a new concept that we just learned. So the first thing says to circle the group that has more. We're still talking about things that are more, numbers that are bigger, groups that have more than the other groups. That's what that means. So circle the group that has more. This pencil cup looks like it has a lot more, but to make sure, we always want to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pencils in that cup and 3 pencils in that cup. So which number is bigger? 8 is bigger than 3. Over here, it says to write the teen number. So we're just practicing a number right now. We're not doing anything with missing numbers like we did last week. We're just writing the teen number. Over here, it says to match the shape to the name. So here we go with our shapes. Let's see if we know. We have a rectangle, a circle, a square. This one's a new one for us. This is called a hexagon. There's that word all the way up top. And this is a triangle. Very good. Now we have some more subtraction. Cross off the dots on the frame to solve the problem. 9 minus 5. So we have 9 dots in our 10 frame, but we want to take away 5. So let's cross out 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 5. We're going to count the dots that are left over. We took some away, and now we're going to see how many we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. Let's do this one down here. 2 minus 2. Oh, are they trying to trick us? Let's see how we do it. We have 2 dots, but I'm going to take away 2 dots. What is left? If you knew that was 0, very good. You are smart. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now let's look on the back and we'll go over the directions for this one. Same thing like we did yesterday. We're writing words that have a long A and a silent E. We also can call him Super E. He does not have to say his name because he is silent. So this right here is a picture of a calendar, and on the calendar is a number circled. Another way to say that is a date. D-A, D-8. Do you hear that long A in date? Now, what should my next letter be? D-A-T-T. Very good. Now, I'm missing something at the very end of my word. It's that Super E. He's silent, so we're going to write him in that box. Now, if you need help with any of the pictures, I want you to look at your picture key and ask your family to help you with these words, okay? We have a story down here about Jess and John. Jess and John went to swim at the lake. The lake was big and blue. Jess and John played and had fun at the lake. And here's the questions. Where did they go? Did they have fun? So you had to be listening to the story to know those answers. And down here, we have some words, and it says write a sentence. So this is that section again that is optional, okay? This one's a hard thing, but if you want to try it, or if mom wants to help you, you can do a great job on it. It says to write a sentence about the picture. And here's our words. Swim, snorkel, lake, water, swimsuit. So you can write a sentence. You can say, I went to swim in the lake. And you've used 2 words. So there's an option for you. So for today, we have a phonics test. I'm sorry, a numbers test and then a phonics paper. So for our number test, it says to write the number your teacher says. Well, I'm going to give your family those numbers that you can write, and then you're going to write what they say. Boys and girls, do you remember that this is our yellow box papers, okay? That means a couple of things. We have to do our very best. We cannot ask what the answer is. We can ask for help and maybe, can you help me? What do I do here? But we cannot ask what the answer is, okay? We have to do it all on our own. Number 2 says to add. Now we're going to count nickels. These are nickels, boys and girls, and we count those by 5s. 5, 10, 15, just like that. Number 4 says to tell what time it is. We have a 3, but it's not pointing up for o'clock. It's something different. And if you forget, remember to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Number 5 says write the number. And then number 6 says write the number that comes after. So if you have your number chart, you can use your number chart. You can use counters. You can use your fingers. You can use anything you have at home to help you with your test, okay? Just do your absolute best. The back is a extra page that you do not have to do. And remember, we're only doing the front of each page, okay? So this is your last page. And it says circle the word that matches each picture. So you have a trap, a mouse trap, a bone, teeth. So you're going to circle the word that matches the picture. There's only one word that matches the picture. So you're going to circle the one that reads the word. Now, if you need to mark your vowels, because maybe that'll help you read the word, then you can do that. But you don't have to, because the directions just say to circle the word, okay? So let me read you all of the words. Leg, jet, shell, belt, tape, pie, seat, crib, and bath. And on the back, there is an extra activity if your family would like you to do that. Okay, boys and girls, do your very best today.